December 17th, 2021. That's where my power steering pump was. That's where it is. I'm gonna grab my trusty chainsaw here. I'm gonna come out here to my mushroom patch that I may have introduced you to earlier. If I post that video, if you've seen that video, I don't know. So anyways, got some logs here. Got some more logs over here. Some down in that water soaking. So we've got a couple different methods going here, and I'm going to try them all. Oh, I got to go get my drill because I'm going to totem pole and drill these. All right, well, moving right along, I chopped my log up, indexed it, and I'm going to drill some holes in there between layers. I saw somebody do that, and they inoculated that way, increasing the surface area. So I'm going to take my wet sawdust mixture along with some of that spawn. And the other thing I noticed, this spawn is not as white as some of the ones I've seen in other videos, and I kind of opened this by accident with the knife when I opened the package, so I got a little hole there. So like I said, moving right along, we're just going to place a layer of this. This is my hickory, oak hickory blend wood pellets, which have been hydrated. I don't know what the numbers are on it, but I think if I was mold, I would want to grow in there. Some nice stuff. All right, well, I don't know if I did this right, but I totemed my log up there, indexed it, and put some layers of some of this. And again, this spawn might not be as far along as some of this. Yeah, you can see it in the camera pretty good. It looks pretty white and fluffy, but it's not all welded together yet, like some of the ones I've seen. So I mixed some of it in here and some of my hardwood mix. A little bit of secret ingredients in there. I put some oats in there. I didn't have any bran, so I just put a couple. I know oats mold really quick if you get them damp, and I put part of a alfalfa cube in there too, because those mold really quick. And so yeah, let's see what that does. Gonna let this bag go for another couple days, maybe like that, and I'll probably take this mix and put it in another log or two tomorrow. I'm also going to cut up a log, and I'm going to take this mushroom kit, and I'm going to take that and put that in between layers of a log. So I've got about 3 or 4 more logs to do tomorrow, but it's been a long day. Got my steering pump torn out, got these started, made pizza dough. Now I got to go make pizza, cut